So today I'm going to be telling you about a website, wireframe UI kit. I will put a link to this in the description below. Moving forward, I'm going to be showing you how to use this to speed up your design process. As you can see, this is filled with tons of UIs pre-made for you. This UI kit belongs to this Bricks agency. I'm going to be showing you how to use all of these components in your design process, whether it's a hero section, headers, footers, whatever it ends up being. There are pre-made UI kits for you, and you just need to copy and paste them in. Now I'm going to be adding one for each of the sections we have, just to show you the process of how you can just go in, copy, paste it in, and then just change the design a little bit, add backgrounds and other stuff like that, and you can just create a whole landing page. Moving forward, I'm going to be showing you in upcoming tutorials of how we can use all of this to make landing pages. So subscribe for that. Now I'm going to add one more section for the cars and one more section for the services. Then at the end of the video, I will be showing you 3 landing pages that we will be making using this UI kit. So make sure you're subscribed to be notified of when those videos will be released.